Rosie Revere, Engineer. Written by Andrea Beattie. Illustrated by David Roberts. Some of the main themes and the thesis within the book are never be afraid to create, never be ashamed of your work, and most of all, never quit. There is a quote within the book that I thought could relate to really anyone and wherever they are in their life, whether you're young or whether you're old. And it is, life may have its failures, but this was not it. The only true failure can come if you quit. And I feel like that's a really good reminder for everyone that we should not quit and we should stick to what we're doing. Andrea Beattie. A little about the author. She attended Southern Illinois University and studied biology and computer science. After college, she got a job with a computer software company. She helped people with their computer problems and at the same time did some technical writing. She was in an interview once and she was talking about her job where she would help people with their computer problems. And she said 90% of the time they would come in without turning off their computer and turning it back on. And she said when they came in and she told them to do that, then 90% of the time their problems would be fixed. I just thought that was kind of funny. Andrea Beattie said, I didn't know at the time, but tech writing was great training for writing for kids because it taught me to be a fierce editor. Summary. Who is Rosie Revere? Rosie was a shy little girl who wanted to be an engineer. Although she was not always shy, there was one day that someone laughed at her inventions, and from that day on, she kept her creations quiet and to herself. There was another part of the book where her great-great-aunt Rose came and she said that she wanted to fly. So one day Rosie decided that she wanted to try and make that happen. And eventually they did get it, but it took some time. Another part of the book is her struggles throughout the book. Someone once laughed at her invention, which made her insecure and embarrassed. Her main struggle was getting over these insecurities and realizing it's okay to mess up. And lastly, we have why it's okay to mess up. When creating her invention to fly, she messed up on the first try and wanted to quit. But her great-great-aunt Rose told her, You did it! Hooray! It's the perfect first try. This great flop is over. It's time for the next. She then reminded her that before it crashed, it flew. She helped her see that you can only improve and go up from there. Mistakes help us learn. Messing up should be seen as a success. And I really agree with that because, we all make mistakes, and I personally think those help us learn, and it's just more practice for us. Okay, some analysis and my thoughts. Everyone can create. Whether you're old or young, or no matter where you are in life, I personally believe that you can create, and this book does too. Anything can be used to create. Anything small or big, it can be used if you put your mind to it. It shows that women can also be engineers. I feel as if engineers are mainly seen as men, but this book did a really good job at showing us that women can also be engineers. We see in the book that her great-great-aunt Rose helped build airplanes, which I feel like is usually seen as a job for a man. But once again, it showed that women can also do that. It gets the imagination and creativity going. So if you have a student in your class and they're struggling with coming up with something creative, you can have them read this book since it is nice and short. And hopefully that will help them and help them spark some idea. So with that, I would encourage all teachers to have this book in their classroom so it could help them spark those creative ideas. So, conclusion, some strengths and weaknesses. Strengths. It is short but a good read. It shows that women are able to create and become engineers. That is just to reiterate what I said in my last slide. And it encourages everyone to do their best and never give up, even if those around you aren't supportive. Weaknesses. Quite frankly, I believe that there were none. Yes, her inventions may have been a little crazy and dramatic, but it is a good reminder that we can do anything we put our minds to. And my final thoughts. Although this book is for children, it is still a good reminder that we can all create. It is especially a good reminder of how we should never give up or quit.